In the days following Kirk's assassination, many people have taken to social media to share their thoughts. Some sympathetic, others not so much. But what happens if you make an inflammatory comment and your employer sees it? Well, new tonight, News 10 NBC's Tom Kowalski is looking into that. And Tom, we've had some local instances with this.
Yeah, Nikki, that's right. We've had at least 4 here in the Rochester area in the days following Kirk's death of people facing discipline for things they said on social media regarding Kirk's death, all from local school districts. Now, Hilton School says that they've addressed the issue, quote unquote, with a member of or with a staff member. The Greece Central School District has said that an employee is facing, quote, appropriate disciplinary action. And in Naples and Leroy, 2 teachers are now on leave due to their comments. I spoke with a lawyer about what rights these employees have and you may have in cases just like this.
Generally speaking, your employer can fire you for any reason. They don't have to justify it. You really don't have free speech rights against your employer.
Jared Cook is an employment lawyer with the Tully Rinckey law firm. He says the First Amendment is designed to protect you from the government, not your employer.
Now, it's a little bit different if you're employed by the government. If you are a government employee, you do have free speech rights. Now, it's also important to understand that within the school context, governments get a bit more leeway to regulate their employees' speech because the idea is that the government is in the shoes of the parents, so to speak. They are, at least during the school day, they are responsible for those children.
It'd obviously be different if I were to post something like, I hate Rochester, Rochester is stupid. I could easily get fired for that because I work for a private company, correct?
Maybe you have a claim against them for breach of contract or something like that, but you certainly would not have a free speech First Amendment claim against a private employer.
What kind of actions, if any, could these employees who are facing these consequences take against their employer, I guess?
They should speak with an attorney because if their rights have been violated, then there are a number of actions that they could take. You know, if their rights have been violated, they may be able to file a lawsuit or pursue other administrative remedies.
Now, people from both sides of the aisle have called out people who are encouraging political violence, including Representatives Tenney and Morelli, the Monroe County Republican Committee, and Governor Hochul. Nikki?
All right, thank you, Tom. And we'll have all the statements from those school districts and politicians in this story on WHEC.com.